This looks like a $90,000 luxury car, but owning it costs less than a Toyota Camry every year. And that's exactly why rich people love it, while everyone else keeps buying the wrong luxury cars. Luxury cars are supposed to be expensive. Expensive to buy, expensive to maintain, expensive to fix. But a small group of luxury vehicles quietly breaks that rule. They deliver prestige, comfort, and performance without destroying your finances. So which luxury cars are actually cheap to own? And why don't dealers want you to know about them? The big lie about luxury cars. Most people think luxury cars are expensive because they're high-end. That's not true. They're expensive because of unreliable engines, overcomplicated electronics, poor long-term engineering. But when a luxury brand focuses on reliability instead of ego, something rare happens. Luxury becomes affordable. Number 1, Lexus ES. This is one of the most underrated luxury cars in America. It looks executive. It rides like a limousine, and it's built on one simple secret. It's basically a Toyota underneath. That means extremely reliable engine, cheap replacement parts, low maintenance costs, fewer breakdowns. Many Lexus ES models easily cross 300,000 miles with basic care. It's luxury without luxury headaches. Number 2, Acura TLX. Acura doesn't chase flash. It chases engineering discipline. The TLX offers strong V6 reliability, lower insurance costs, Honda-level maintenance prices, solid resale value. While German rivals spend more time in repair shops, the TLX just keeps going, quietly, reliably, cheaply. Number 3, Lexus RX. This is the luxury SUV rich families secretly prefer. Not because it's exciting, but because it never breaks. The RX avoids air suspension failures, turbocharger problems, overloaded electronics. That's why resale prices stay high and repair bills stay low. It's boring luxury, and boring luxury is cheap luxury. Why German luxury fails most owners. Cars like BMW, Mercedes, and Audi look impressive. But after the warranty ends, electronics fail, sensors malfunction, repair costs explode. Luxury becomes a financial trap. That's why many wealthy buyers lease German cars, but own Japanese luxury. Number 4, Infiniti Q50. The Infiniti Q50 is one of the best performance bargains in luxury. Twin-turbo power, rear-wheel drive, simple mechanical layout. And because Infiniti doesn't oversell hype, prices stay low. It's fast, comfortable, and shockingly affordable to maintain. The hidden truth about cheap luxury. Cheap-to-own luxury cars all share one thing. They were engineered for long-term ownership, not short-term attention. They avoid trends. They avoid unnecessary tech. They avoid ego-driven design. And that's why they survive. Number 5, Genesis G80. Genesis shocked the luxury world. Why? Because it delivered premium interiors, strong reliability, long warranties, lower service costs. Genesis didn't copy German luxury. They fixed its mistakes, and owners are quietly saving thousands every year. Why smart money chooses these cars? Wealthy people don't buy luxury to show off. They buy it to save time, avoid stress, reduce friction in life. That's why cheap-to-own luxury is becoming more popular than flashy luxury. Because true wealth avoids unnecessary problems. The lesson: luxury cars don't become expensive because of quality. They become expensive because of ego-driven design. The smartest luxury cars aren't the loudest. They're the ones that disappear into your life without draining your bank account. Because real luxury isn't about attention. It's about peace of mind. If you enjoy the hidden truth behind luxury, money, and smart ownership, subscribe for more cinematic documentaries like this. Because the best luxury decisions are the quiet ones.